Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your Messenger ringtone, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am just on the main page, or call it whatever you want, the main screen of Messenger. I have just got into the app on a random sort of test account that I have made, and from here, what you want to do to change your ringtone is go to the settings. To go to the settings, you'll see this sort of three lines at the top left, which is the menu. You just go there, and to access the settings, you just tap the sort of gear icon right next to your name. Now, as you can see, you have a lot of different options here to customize your Messenger and your account, and what you want to do to actually change your ringtone is go into notifications and sounds, and from here you can change whatever you want. You can modify the notifications, what shows, what doesn't show, and you also have preferences at the very bottom, which, as you can see, have it has the ringtone option. You can also customize the notifications with the sound and appearance. However, if you want to change your ringtone, you just go into ringtone, and from here you'll see your entire library of sounds on your device, and all you want to do is just pick any one from here. Any sound will work, and I'm pretty sure it goes into your sound files as well. So if you have any MP3s on your phone that aren't just the standard pack you get with your phone, you can choose them as well. I'll just keep mine on the standard Messenger ringtone, and yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.